Kim.
Hey there, we are live again. Welcome back to Talk Tuesday, my friends. And we are live here on social media where I bring you expert advice to help you have a better business and a better life. And I'm so excited because today I have three really awesome guests. I have Carolyn Cooper McEwitt and Susan Jima, the co-founders of The Grand Connection. And I'm here also with Michelle Tremblay. And we are set to bring you something really, really exciting. There's an event happening on this Friday. And have you felt possibly that your energy levels and your outcome or your outlook on life have maybe possibly could have an impact on your business, on your relationships, and on your life? And would you agree that maybe we're in a little bit of a crazy time going on, and maybe our energy levels aren't exactly where we want them to be? Well, if you answered yes to either one of those questions, then you are absolutely in the right place, and you are not going to want to miss Friday's event, because Michelle Tremblay is going to talk to you about how you can quickly shift fear, anxiety, worry, and all of those negative energies, turn them right around really quickly, and set yourself up for success in both your work, your relationships, and your life, to bring yourself more balance and joy. So welcome to the show, ladies. I'm so excited to have you here and talk about this super important topic, because we actually do have control of our energy and being able to shift it. And maybe not everybody knows how to do that. And that's what we're going to learn about today and on Friday. So welcome.
Thank you. And I am so excited about Friday. Michelle Tremblay is going to share with us an incredible 2-hour masterclass, supporting us, as Kim said, to shift and up-level our energy, to really be more focused, productive, and meaningful in our business. Our theme this month of The Grand Connection is revitalization. So we're carrying that through on that theme into the masterclass. So you can join us for this 2-hour uplifting masterclass. And Michelle Tremblay's business is called MPowerLives. She's worked with over 15,000 participants nationwide, and she's truly committed to changing the workplace, schools, and communities at large through mental, physical health, and wellness strategies, mindfulness, social, and emotional learning to build this resiliency. Michelle holds a second-degree black belt with her 18 years in karate. She's going to bring with us an incredible toolbox that will support us to move forward and level up our business. Now, Michelle, can you tell us just a few little tidbits or share with us some of the experiential aspect for this fun workshop that you're going to present?
Thank you, Carolyn and Kimberly. It's really important to understand when your body is dysregulated. And this is why we have a hard time being able to feel clear, productive, efficient in our day-to-day routine. When we don't understand what's going on within, we don't have that awareness, it affects everything in our lives. So what I would like to do is do something, just a little tiny taster for you of a teaser with these beautiful women on the call today. What we're going to do is just do a short little mindfulness piece. So I'm going to ask you to please join me if you would like. And with the women that are on the call today, I'd like you to, first of all, when we start anything, I think it's important to remember that we need to breathe. So first, what I'd like you to do is just take a nice deep breath with me right now, breathing in through your nose. And I want you to breathe out. And as you breathe out, I want you to really exaggerate the sigh, breathing in and breathing out. I think we need to do that again, especially for Susan, breathing in and breathing out. And now I'd like you just to close your eyes. And I'd like you just to take a nice relaxing breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And I want you to let go of everything that you were thinking about before you came here. All the tasks, the things that need to get done, just let it go. And as you're breathing, I want you to focus on what you are hearing inside the room. Tuning into your senses. Now take another deep breath in. And I want you to focus on what you're feeling and what you're sensing inside your body. Maybe you feel calm. Maybe you're feeling a bit anxious or irritable. Just take another deep breath and just let it go. And now create an intention for yourself of what you would like to create for your day today. Just something short. It can be getting something done. It could just be being more mindful. It could be taking a walk, making that phone call. Take another breath in and out and relax. And now when you're ready, I want you to wiggle your fingers and your toes and just open your eyes nice and slow. Hello.
That was wonderful. Thank you.
So this is important to remember. How do we start our day? And when in our day can we just slow down and stop? Now, it's contradictory for us to do this in a world where we're meant to be consistently pushing. And this energy can be very strong in us in the nature to get things done. But it counteracts what we need to be doing is to allow ourselves to flow. And when we do that, that is where the magic starts to happen. So I want you to be able to join me in a very exciting and fun interactive experience that's going to help you with your business.
Oh my God, sorry.
The success of this is going to allow you to jump into that place where you can do things differently. We are living in a different time. We are transforming our lives, our business. Everything that we are creating now is the new way forward. And here's an opportunity for you to do something and experience it so you can start to integrate it into your life.
Absolutely. And this workshop is going to be experiential, isn't it, Michelle? We're going to stand up, we're going to move our body, we're going to really have that mind-body connection, and also just really look at shifting and grounding our energy. I'm so excited, so looking forward to it.
It's very important to understand how the body is such an integral part of how we become powerful in what we create and how we move forward. We are in an uncertain time. That uncertainty can cause us to feel fear, anxiety, and that is big. Those are big emotions. So what are we going to do with it? We need to move. So I want to show you some pretty cool stuff. We're not going to do any flying ninja kicks. Unless, I can kind of show you off to the side. But I'm going to give you an opportunity just to feel your body in a different way and to light you up and be around this energy of these incredible women that have started this grand connection, and Kimberly here today to support that for you. So please join us.
Thank you.
Really excited.
So yes, absolutely. So join us this Friday, June 11th at 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time until 12. We will put the link down below. And Susan, do you want to add anything to that?
I'll just add that it's one of our signature master classes at the Grand Connection. We're about 3 values: connect, create, and collaborate. So we will be doing breakout sessions. You will get to still meet other business people who have the similar values that are trying to revitalize their business too. This will be energize ourselves in our lives. And when our lives are energized, what happens to our business? our business is energized too. It's June 11th. It's a 2-hour masterclass. It's free, everybody. This is free, so save the time on Friday to come. 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. For you on the East Coast, that's 1 p.m. And for you guys in the UK, that's 6 p.m. to 8. So come, it's free on Zoom. Join us and connect, create, and collaborate. And we're going to get revitalized.
Awesome. Thank you, ladies, so much for joining us. If you were watching, I had the wrong information in the ticker below, so I apologize. We've got it going on right now. We are going to drop the correct link into the comments so you can join us for that experiential workshop. I feel so much better already, and I always forget to just breathe. And in fact, I might just get off this video and do another little breathing exercise because I had a slight smidge of anxiety there for 2 seconds when I saw the ticker was wrong. So I'm going to go reset again with that amazing breathing exercise that you just led us through, Michelle. And thank you everyone for watching. If you ever have any other ideas of things you would like to learn about, expert advice that you would think that would help you in your business, drop a comment below. Let us know what you want to hear about because we are here to serve you. Ladies, thanks again for hopping on the call. And for those of you who are watching, we hope to see you on Friday at this event. Register below. And until next time, stay safe, stay strong, and stay positive. Have an amazing day.